Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best drill plate cutter is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for anyone working with sheet metal, whether you're a professional contractor, a DIY enthusiast, or a hobbyist tackling intricate projects, as it allows for precise, clean cuts on various materials with remarkable ease and efficiency, saving you time and effort compared to traditional cutting methods. Number 5. HYCHIKA 19 Pcs Hole Saw Kit. This extensive kit includes 13 saw blades in various sizes, along with mandrels, drill bits, and essential accessories for your cutting needs. Crafted from heat-treated carbon steel with a protective black surface, these blades are built for fast, efficient cutting and long-lasting durability against rust and wear. Perfect for soft wood, plywood, drywall, and PVC, these tools provide clean cuts. Please note they are designed for materials up to 25 mm thick and are not intended for hard metals or dense woods. Everything you need is neatly organized in a sturdy, compact storage box, making it easy to transport and keep your tools protected. You'll receive all the components listed, plus a user manual and a 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. For projects involving hardwood or metal, we recommend our specialized bimetal hole saw kit. We're here to help you find the perfect tool for any job. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive 19-piece set, ensuring you have the right size for most common tasks. Its carbon steel blades provide durability and fast cutting for soft woods and plastics. If you are looking for a versatile and well-organized starter set for general DIY projects, this is a great choice. What people say. Great little set of circular saws for cutting holes. Does the job on small projects like sheetrock or plywood. Super easy to use and cuts holes accurately. Great hole saw set for the price, cuts clean and feels solid. Used it on wood and drywall with no issues, and the sizes covered everything I needed. Nice variety in the kit and easy to swap bits, definitely a handy set to have. It has every size I need for projects around the house and on the job. The blades are super sharp and cut through wood, plastic, and even light metal with ease. Everything fits perfectly in the sturdy carrying case, which keeps it all organized and easy to grab when I need it. What really impressed me was how clean the cuts are, no rough edges or splintering. Number 4. ASNOMY TCT Hole Saw Kit. Introducing the ASNOMY TCT Hole Saw Kit, engineered for superior performance on tough materials. Experience precision and durability like never before. Crafted with high-quality TCT Carbide cutters and a titanium-plated M2 steel pilot drill bit, this set is designed for exceptional hardness and rust resistance. It's built to withstand demanding tasks. This kit offers a comprehensive range of cutting diameters from 5/8 to 2/1/8, with a 1-inch cutting length and a 2.5-inch shank diameter. It's perfect for drilling into hard metals. Featuring a unique 3-blade design, outer, middle, and inner, these hole saws are sharper and more efficient. This innovative design makes cutting hard metals effortless. Ideal for a wide array of materials including hard metal, stainless steel, iron, wood, and plastic. It's compatible with various drilling machines for versatile use. Achieve clean, round holes with high precision thanks to the TCT Carbide steel teeth. They are suitable for both handheld drills and stationary drilling machines. This comprehensive set includes 10 TCT hole saws, 2 extra pilot drill bits, and 2 hex wrenches, all neatly organized in a protective aluminum case. Each bit is also oiled to prevent rust. What we like. Engineered with tungsten carbide tipped cutters and a unique 3-blade design, this set excels at cutting hard materials. If you frequently work with metal, stainless steel, or even hard plastics and need efficient, clean cuts, this is the tool for you. What people say. Busts through 26-gauge galvanizes sheet steel super well. I oiled to try and keep from burning them up but they full on eat through. Punched 44 holes in no time flat. I used these to cut out slam locks in aluminum. I have had no issues so far with them cutting. They are sharp and accurate. It cuts through metal like butter. Just used the 1/3/8 hole saw to cut through 2/3/8 thick steel plates using my mill drill at about 150 revolutions per minute in oil. Cleared chips quite often and I got nice clean holes very quickly. Best quick results I have ever had. Number 3. VEVOR Double Head Sheet Metal Nibbler Cutter. Are you ready to cut metal with ease? This tool easily attaches to your electric drill or drill press, making it perfect for various repairs. Its high adaptability ensures precise cuts on many materials. You can cut through carbon steel, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, plastic, and wood with this attachment. It handles thicknesses up to 1.6 mm for steel and 2.0 mm for plastic and wood. With its 360-degree rotating head, you can cut straight lines, curves, circles, and any shape you need. Achieve exceptional precision and flexibility in your cuts. Easily create smooth, burr-free holes with our included step drill bit. This allows for secure one-handed operation and precise, flawless results every time. Built tough with an HSS cutting blade and an impact-resistant alloy steel body, this attachment is designed for longevity. Its robust design ensures it can handle demanding tasks. Whether for automotive or household repairs, this tool offers versatile cutting options. It's your go-to accessory for achieving professional results on various projects. What we like. This attachment transforms your drill into a versatile metal cutting tool with its unique double head and 360-degree rotating head. If you need to cut straight lines, curves, and circles with precision in materials like carbon steel, stainless steel, or aluminum, this is an excellent option for automotive and repair work. What people say. The drill plate cutter is a great tool for cutting sheet metal. It is easy to use and cuts cleanly. The cutter is very durable and has lasted a long time. Number 2. TCT Carbide Hole Saw with Pilot Drill Bits. Introducing our TCT Carbide Hole Saw, engineered for superior performance. Its robust construction ensures durability and precision in every cut. Crafted with top-quality tungsten carbide-tipped cutters and titanium-plated teeth, it offers exceptional hardness and rust resistance. Tackle hard metals, stainless steel, and more with confidence. Featuring 10 teeth for faster cutting and a unique 3-blade design, this tool delivers unparalleled sharpness and efficiency. It's ideal for cutting through challenging materials. This versatile hole saw is compatible with various drills and perfect for cutting through hard metals, stainless steel, wood, and plastics. Please note, it is not suitable for concrete, tiles, or stone. Your purchase includes 1 carbide hole saw, 2 pilot drill bits, and a hex wrench, all conveniently packed in a durable plastic box for easy storage and transport. What we like. Featuring 10 teeth for faster cutting and top-quality TCT carbide construction, this hole saw is built for demanding tasks. If you need to cut through hard metals, stainless steel, or cast iron with efficiency and precision, this is a robust choice for serious metalworking. What people say. This one outperforms all others. The bit was exactly as described and exactly what was needed. The holes were very quickly cut and left a reasonably clean edge. This is a superior quality carbide hole saw. It comes in a kit with 2 spring-loaded pilot drill bits and the Allen wrench for the set screw. Number 1. TCT Hole Saw Set. Introducing our heavy-duty hole saw set, designed for precision and durability. These cutters are engineered to tackle a variety of materials with ease. This set offers a versatile range of sizes, perfect for conduit and pipe installations. They are compatible with most standard drills and drilling machines. Achieve cleaner, burr-free holes significantly faster than traditional methods. It's an essential tool for electricians, plumbers, and metalworkers. Effortlessly cut through stainless steel, mild steel, copper, brass, plastic, and more. These are ideal for a wide array of projects and material thicknesses. Experience professional-grade hardness and sharpness with our cemented carbide teeth. The pilot drill bit prevents walking, ensuring accurate, high-quality results every time. Designed for convenience, the ejection spring makes slug removal simple. Enjoy a hassle-free drilling experience with these efficient cutters. To ensure longevity, handle with care and avoid impacts. Use lower speeds for harder materials and store them properly in the included case after use. What we like. This pack provides 2 heavy-duty TCT hole cutters specifically sized for common conduit and pipe installations. If you are involved in electrical, plumbing, or HVAC work and need reliable, clean cuts in materials up to 1/8 inch thick, this set offers convenience and efficiency with easy slug removal. What people say. The drill plate cutter is a versatile tool that can cut through various materials with ease. Its adjustable cutting depth allows for precise cuts on different thicknesses of metal. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.